mastering Ardha Chandrasana, the half-moon pose. Find your center and elevate your yoga practice with Ardha Chandrasana, the half-moon pose. This elegant asana challenges your balance, builds strength, and promotes a sense of calm. Whether you're a beginner or experienced yogi, today's tutorial will help you unlock the beauty of this pose. Before beginning, ground yourself with a few deep breaths. Warm up with poses like triangle pose, trikonasana, or warrior taku to awaken your legs and open your hips. A calm mind and focused energy will help establish the stability and grace this posture requires. Start in triangle pose as your foundation. Pivot your front leg forward and bring your back hand to your hip. Place your front hand on a block or the ground, shifting weight into your front foot. Slowly extend your back leg behind you, parallel to the floor, to create a long, open line. Keep your gaze steady on one point to maintain balance. Open your hips and chest skyward, stacking them over each other. Extend your top arm towards the ceiling for length and energy. Your core and standing leg provide strength, while your lifted limbs create lightness and expansion. Struggle with balance? Use a block underneath your grounded hand to bring the floor closer, or practice along a wall for extra support. If you're more advanced, challenge yourself by lifting your bottom hand off the ground for a no-hands variation, engaging core strength fully. Feel the stretch along your torso, legs, and hips. Notice how this pose sharpens focus and improves balance while energizing your body. Breathe deeply to stay connected. Each inhale lifts and extends, while each exhale grounds and stabilizes the posture. Gently lower your lifted leg to the floor with control as you return to triangle pose. Avoid rushing. Take your time to stay present. Pause and feel the effects of the pose before switching sides, letting both body and mind appreciate this moment of stillness. Thank you for joining me in exploring Ardha Chandrasana. Remember, mastery comes with patience and dedication. Practice regularly to build strength, balance, and confidence. If this tutorial resonated with you, subscribe, and share, while inviting friends to discover their grounding energy through yoga. Let's grow together.